Hi, welcome back to Lights, Camera, Nothing. Today we're doing a tutorial on Milk Jug skulls. This is Stan. He's going to be our prop. Most of the tutorials tell you to use a resin skull, but I'm not spending money on a resin skull. Stan's hard plastic. His jaw moves, so I can pose him differently inside the milk jug, which you'll see. So, yeah, let's get started. So, for this tutorial, you'll need a milk jug. We'll also need a glue gun and glue sticks. We'll need scissors and a marker. We'll need our trusty heat gun. That's nice. An extension cord. Oven mitts. Actually, you could use work gloves too, but I like these. What?
Pampered chef.
Pampered
put them
chef.
in boiling water to grab lobsters and stuff out.
These are lobster grabbing mitts. So that's good to know. I think that's it. So yeah, let's get started. I also have these. These are actually for clay modeling and mask making and stuff like that. But we're going to use them to jam plastic into Stan's eyes. Boo! So first of all, we have to get Stan inside the milk jug. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a line down here and down the other side. Cut the handle and the spout out so it'll fit in there nicely and his face will be over there somewhere. So what we have here is a Stan in a jug. Now I'm going to get my heat gun and everything ready. Take the label off and start warming it up and pressing it into the thing. Now I don't want to get too hot because Stan's plastic, because I'm not paying for a resin skull. You can hot glue it into place inside there if you want to. Might make it easier. I'm not doing that. You'll also see a lot of people have like the other tutorials, have a stand for their skull to make this nice and easy. They're all like professional, and I'm not. We're doing this. So, let's get melty. As you can see, Stan's beginning to take shape, so we're going to just keep working at this. Take your time, little sections at a time, just keep going, and we'll be back in a bit when we get towards the end. Now eventually, you're going to start ending up with something like this. This is horrifying as is. So, see it? Stan's still in there, starting to get a lot more detail. So we're just going to keep going until we can cut them out. that's obviously a skull. So you could keep going, do a lot more detail, get this really, really immaculate. I'm not going for that. It's supposed to look like this. I swear. So I'm going to cut him out now, after he cools down a little bit. Then I'm going to take him outside and paint him white, and then I will probably just corpse the whole thing. Look, no worse for wear. I think he's a different color than he was. I'm not going to tell the wife. She can watch this and get mad at me later. Now, he's fine. And we have this. I have glued it back together where I cut it out. Nice line there. It looks like it's made of wax, and he's really distorted and messed up. You know this is a skull though. I cut out the eyes, cut out the nose, cut out his mouth. I'm going to take him outside and paint him. I wanted him to look messed up like this. Because I'm going to corpse it anyways, so the more messed up, the better. And if you're watching this going, dude, mine's better than yours, great. Or you're going, dude, mine's jacked up, then, you know, trust the process, keep going. I think this took me over an hour, but I have no concept of time. So yeah, I'm going to take him outside, paint the base white, paint the eyes and nose and mouth black, corpse it, you'll see the end. Look at my crappy paint job. I did it on purpose. To show you that when it comes to the scary stuff, I think imperfection is better. If you don't make it perfect, I could have sanded this down, smoothed it out, make it look exactly like a human skull. I don't want to. That's too much. But now, we're going to corpse him. If you don't know anything about corpsing, then we have another tutorial. Real easy, we'll put a link in the description. I'm going to use saran wrap this time, just for giggles. And then we're going to stain it, and then we're done. Here's our finished skull. It's gross looking. I'm going to hang him up by some rope, like a nice Mac-type thing. Yeah, hang on to the ceiling. And put an LED light inside them. Nice single LED. That looks good. Cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. We're going to be doing some really weird stuff that you may not have seen before.